You know exactly how it feels. It's a specific kind of pain. You are sitting in a group and you speak, but nobody stops to listen. You tell a story and people talk over you. You enter a room and heads don't turn. You are helpful. You are kind. You are always there. Yet, you feel completely invisible, like a ghost in your own life. You start to wonder, is there something wrong with me? Am I not interesting enough? Am I not loud enough? Let me tell you the brutal truth. The reason nobody takes you seriously isn't because you aren't good enough. It is because you are too safe. You have become the background noise of other people's lives. You are as predictable as the furniture in their living room. Humans are biologically hardwired to ignore things that are constant. We ignore the hum of the refrigerator. We ignore the feeling of our clothes on our skin. And sadly, people are ignoring you because you are always there. But today, we are going to fix this. We are going to kill the nice, invisible version of you. I am going to show you how to flip the switch in their brains. I will teach you how to become a psychological threat, someone who commands respect without shouting, someone they cannot ignore. Before we get to the techniques, you need to understand one rule of human nature. This is the foundation of all social dynamics. Value comes from scarcity. Think about it. Why is gold valuable? Because it is rare. Why is sand worthless? Because it is everywhere. You can find it on any beach. You can step on it. You can kick it. It doesn't matter because there is always more of it. Right now, you are acting like sand. You answer texts within 3 seconds. You say yes to every favor before they even finish asking. You apologize for taking up space. You are terrified of offending anyone. You are flooding the market with your attention, and because supply is high, the value is zero. You have taught people that your time is cheap. You have trained them to treat you like an option, not a priority. If you want to stop being ignored, you must stop being so available. You must become gold. So, how do you do this? It starts with what I call micro-absence. Most people are terrified of missing out. They think, if I don't reply instantly, they will forget me. The opposite is true. When you are always available, you leave no room for their imagination. You leave no room for them to miss you. Starting today, change your digital pace. When your phone buzzes, do not jump like a trained dog. Finish what you are doing, take a breath, wait. When you reply instantly, you signal, I have nothing better to do than wait for you. When you wait an hour, you signal, my life is busy, my time is valuable, you are fitting into my schedule. This is not about being mean. It is about self-respect. People respect those who respect their own time. Suddenly, your attention becomes a reward, not a given entitlement. Now, let's talk about face-to-face interaction. This is where most people fail. When you feel ignored, your instinct is to talk more. You talk faster. You try to explain yourself. You try to be funny. You dance for their approval. Stop it. The most powerful person in the room is often the quietest. Why? Because silence creates tension, and humans hate tension. Weak people rush to fill the silence with nervous chatter. They ramble. They explain too much. They apologize for awkward pauses. Strong people are comfortable in the silence. Here is a technique you can use tomorrow. When someone asks you a question or when someone disrespects you with a subtle dig, do not answer immediately. Look them in the eyes, count to 3 in your head. 1, 2, 3, hold that gaze. Let the silence hang in the air. Let them feel the weight of your presence. That 3-second pause signals deep confidence. It tells their primal brain, I am not afraid of you. I am thinking. I am in control. When you finally speak, speak slowly. Do not rush. Make them wait for your words. When you slow down, the world slows down with you to listen. Finally, you must become unpredictable. The human brain loves to put people in boxes. It saves energy. They have put you in the nice box, the safe box, the pushover box. Once you are in that box, they stop looking at you. They think they have you figured out. You need to shatter that box. If you are usually the one who agrees with everything, disagree. Pick a small topic. Look them in the eye and say, actually, I see it differently. Don't be aggressive, just be firm. If you always stay late to help, pack your bags on time and say, I have plans, I'm leaving. Watch their faces when you do this. You will see a moment of confusion. Their brain will glitch. They will think, wait, who is this person? This isn't the person I thought I knew. In that moment of confusion, you gain their full attention. You become a puzzle they need to solve, and we respect what we cannot easily control. Here is the bottom line. You cannot negotiate genuine respect. You cannot beg for it. You cannot nice your way into it. You have to take it. It will feel uncomfortable at first. Your heart might beat faster when you say no. You might feel guilty when you don't reply to that text immediately. That fear? That is just the old version of you dying. Let it die. Stop apologizing for existing. Take your time when you speak. Be willing to walk away from anyone who does not treat you right. Do this for just 24 hours, just one day. And watch how the energy in the room shifts. Watch how they look at you differently. You have been invisible for long enough. It is time to be seen. If you are ready to take control, hit subscribe. We are just getting started.